5 plus 5 we will get 10 into 5 plus 5 we will get 10. 10 into 10 we will get 100. But this answer is wrong. We can discuss another common mistake most people will do. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 we will get 50. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. But this answer is also wrong because we does not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, parentheses have higher priority, then exponential, then multiplication and division have the same priority, then addition and subtraction have same priority. Now we can solve this problem in a correct way. You can see here we have addition and multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than addition. So we have to calculate the multiplication first. So 5 into 5 we will get 25 plus 5. 5 plus 25 plus 5. 5 plus 25 we will get 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. So 35 is the right answer here.